Which mode saves all open files to disk before shutting down? The correct answer is hibernate. Which area is used for typing and editing text? The correct answer is application area. Shortcut to close an application. The correct answer is Alt plus F4. Small pictures on the desktop are called. The correct answer is icons. Software used to access web information is called. The correct answer is web browser. Which device is known as the brain of the computer? The correct answer is CPU. What is the default alignment of text in Word? The correct answer is left. Which key is used for capital letters? The correct answer is Shift. Which key is used to move cursor to next tab space? The correct answer is Tab. Which key is used to move cursor to next tab space? The correct answer is Tab. Which key is used to cancel an operation? The correct answer is Escape key. Which company developed Windows? The correct answer is Microsoft. Printed lines pattern on products. The correct answer is barcode. Error in computer data is called. The correct answer is bug. First computer developed in India. The correct answer is Siddharth. Microprocessor is also known as. The correct answer is microchip. Data coming from an external source is called. The correct answer is input. Which hardware converts data into meaningful information? The correct answer is processor. Which memory loses data when power is turned off? The correct answer is RAM. Which was the first computer programming language? The correct answer is Fortran. Which language is used to write programs? The correct answer is programming language. Which of the following is an example of analog computer? The correct answer is speedometer. Which of the following is fastest computer? The correct answer is supercomputer. Language directly understood by computer. The correct answer is machine language. Who are the founders of Google? The correct answer is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Smallest unit of display on screen is called. The correct answer is pixel. Computers used in banks and railways are. The correct answer is mainframe computers. Integrated circuits are used in which generation? The correct answer is third. From where can we change user account name? The correct answer is control panel. Which language is machine dependent? The correct answer is machine language. Which is an example of programming language? The correct answer is Python. Which is used for video conferencing? The correct answer is Zoom. Which key is used to open Start menu? The correct answer is Windows key. Which is used to connect telephone line to computer? The correct answer is modem. Which device amplifies signals? The correct answer is repeater. Which device routes data between networks? The correct answer is router. Which is used to transfer files over internet? The correct answer is FTP. Which option is used to change page orientation? The correct answer is layout. Which device connects multiple computers in a network? The correct answer is hub. Which key is used to give space between words? The correct answer is spacebar. Which key is used for capital letters? Please comment this answer in the comment box.